TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here on this Wednesday, the 7th of July, and Dow is up 5 points at 34,584. In the methodology that I use, it would be very good to see this go above 34,821 sometime this week. And then you get that leg D, and then I think we've got to be a little bit cautious. One of the reasons why I'm quite excited about my webinar coming up, all-day webinar a week from today, check out the front page of TFNN for that, is that I think we're going to go into a really choppy market coming up. This is very selective as it stands, and I'll show you why. Look, the S&P, so the Dow is up just a little bit, up a 16. The S&P is up 8 at 74351. 4,351. Has it made a new all-time high today? 435,725. Yep, it has a new all-time high, just squeaking each day to a new all-time high. And that's the same thing for the weekly and the monthly in leg B. This is going to be very interesting. Why? Because look at the leadership here. All of a sudden, the Invesco QQQ Trust Series, the NDX 100, soaring to a new high at 361.50. And that is really important to monitor, up $1.34. Why? Because it's taking, it shows the selectivity of this market right now. Got to get through a couple of things here. The IWM remains weak. It's down $1.50 at 224. And we're going to be watching this closely because it's sitting on the weekly 14-period moving average. Now, here's the story. Crude oil pulled back very sharply yesterday. A little bit of a dip today, minus 20 at 73.18. Can it get above yesterday's high? And that's going to be the important thing. The weekly chart is still very strong, even if there's a pullback, and then monthlies in this very strong leg C. We're going to be watching this crude oil very closely. We want to look at gold. Gold is up a bit. It is up 12 at 1806, acting quite well, having come off the low of about a week and a half ago. This is good action, but it really needs to get to the 1825 area, and it's at 1805 right now. That's going to be very important. Look at the TLT screaming to the upside, up $1.37, and having yields come down very sharply at 148.10. This is above the 200-period moving average. There's a lot to talk about when I get back for the Tiger Technicians Hour. And don't forget my opening call daily newsletter and the webinar coming up 1 week from today. Be back in a moment.